Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm headed into Dollar Tree, so I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping. So I popped into this Dollar Tree on my way to do some grocery shopping and I found some new items to share. These cute little children's sandals that actually have a strap along the back. I also spotted some new potato peelers in my house. You can never have too many of these. These are by professionals and they come in a few different colors. And down the food aisle, I found some pretty good sized boxes of name brand cereal, from the Frosted Flakes to the Cheerios. Now those are both banana flavored, but they also had the Reese's Puffs bunnies and Dipping Dots. I also spotted some Lucky Charms on my way out the door. I also spotted a few different rice mixes by Village Harvest, the coconut turmeric and the Thai green curry. They also have these really cute sandwich holders. These are a lot more heavy duty than what they normally have. And pumpkin spice bar mix. This looks amazing. It's a nice big package by Betty Crocker. Side note, it expires in September. They also have this massive carton of strained tomatoes. Now this would be great for making sauce, but as you can see, it does expire in July, which is right around the corner. Just had to share this deal with you guys. They also have these little cans of salad ready tomatoes. So these are actually in olive oil. And on an end cap for just $1, I found these chip clips that were obviously other places for $2.97. They did have a few different ones to choose from, packs of 3 and 4, depending on the size, but look at that price. Something I've not seen before at my store is this smoke odor eliminator. I did spray it. It's pleasant but strong. And something I have not seen in my stores for a long time are these little push and spray deodorizers. Let me know if you've tried these down in the comments. I'm curious to hear how they work. They do have some massive bottles of bubble bath out. I'm guessing these are sort of leftover from Mother's Day. And lots of new things in health and beauty, these little whole blends. Now this is olive oil treatment for your hair. When I was a little girl, my mom just used straight olive oil. This is a single use rinse out conditioner by Garnier. And down my medication aisle, I found this little container of liquid skin. This is something I love to have in my first aid kit. I also found this little cosmetics bag with little compartments on the inside. This would actually make the perfect little first aid kit or makeup bag. I love that it has little compartments to it. I also found a lot of new mascara. Now these are all by Sinful Colors and these are called Diva Lash. I found 3 different versions of that one and 3 of the Drama Lash by LA Colors. They're also putting out a lot of liquid eyeshadows by LA Colors. And I found a few new jarred candles, this one in cookies and cream, and they also have it in double caramel. These in the matte black called River Rock. I love this packaging. It looks much higher end than Dollar Tree. Down my hair accessory aisle, I found a lot of new things, these little daisy headbands, lots of clips by name brand Scoonchy. They also have these beautiful headbands, this one in gold, this one in a little bit darker with a flower on it. Lots of different hair accessories that are new here today. These are kind of like non-elastic elastics, some stacked bows in a few different colors, and little sets of 3 headbands. These are really cute. The one on top has a leopard print and they are pink, purple, and blue. And right behind me, below the socks in a random place, are these little furry pillows. They mainly had teal and blue, 1 or 2 in pink. I remember these from last year. They were small, but it was just an odd place. So that got me looking, and I did find some really nice athletic socks, both for men and for women. These are actually my favorite. And down the party aisle, I found a few new things like this confetti launcher. I did pick one up to do a review for you guys. And some pieces of chandelier decor. These are black glitter. These would be great for Halloween or any kind of party you're throwing. They also had some really cute miniature party hats. These are something you would expect to pay a lot more for at places like Target or even Party City. They had them in the regular birthday cone and 2 different kinds of crowns. And also for birthdays, I found some really cute felt banners. This one in Happy Birthday. They have the regular banners. This one with the cutouts, and this one that is just straight little pennants. They also have some mermaid magnets over here. These are just little miniature magnets, and they also have this banner in Celebrate with black and silver. Now this store has finally gotten in the little mermaid fins. These are fun to see in ceramic, a few different colors. They're putting out some new trinket trays in both white and gold and white on white. Lots of llamas, unicorns, mermaids, and cactuses, and some fun metallic decor. They do have a gold toucan, a silver llama, the little balloon doggy in teal, a gold unicorn, and a pink flamingo. And these super cute little boxed signs, Farm Sweet Farm, Good Vibes, and this one about home. It looks like this store is a little late to the game, putting out these little shaker hearts. They probably meant to get these out before Mother's Day. They don't shake up quite well. Just below those, they do have some really cute boxed signs. These are covered in succulents. I found 5 different prints. Life is Beautiful, and then all of these with the little terrariums. And something I think they're just late at getting out at this store are all these beautiful boxes. They even have a few in little purses or pocketbooks. These would have been cute for Mother's Day, but at least at this store, they were nowhere to be found. I also found some new reusable bags up near my registers. This one in Blessed and this one in Love. A few new prints. These are great for giving gifts in or just bringing home all your treasures from the Dollar Tree. Another great find here today are the bonus buy buckets. This is actually a set of 3 for $1. They have them in black and white. And a few more new items up near the registers. These little keychains with all kinds of sayings: boom, zap, bang, pow. They also have the little Transformers blind boxes. I'm sure that there are lots of collectors out there that would be interested in those. And mermaid party hats in a few different colors. They have some new cosmetics bags out in a few different colors. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Dollar Tree for a quick little shopping trip. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.